Hello, welcome to a project called Motors, and it's by me and Sophia. So, you may ask, why did I choose motors? Motors are in our daily lives. It creates hard situations in an easier way. All thanks to Thomas Davenport, who brought the idea on how this works. Motors come in all different shapes since investors and inventors started improvising this brilliant project into now daily objects, just like a car. Motors will never be forgotten even till it's the end of this world, since now it's permanent for life. So, why motors have electromagnetism? The way the motor works is when a electric magnet is connected to something that's called a shaft. Then when the motor is rotating, the connected shaft would then be rotating as well, which causes other parts and the device to move. For example, would be a fan. So, how motors in our daily lives are incorporated in our daily lives? Well, let me tell you this. I have 3 examples. Dialysis equipment is one of them. This equipment also has motors in the tube pump. Two pumps crushes the pump repeatedly to keep pumping air, so it can keep creating pressure towards the patient. Sometimes it pumps different substance into some blood, depending on the situation. This tube pump for dialysis specifically has modifications for this equipment. Even have their own motors called DC motors. Massage chair. The massage chair uses motors to create vibrations in certain areas. The chair will identify your body parts to see which massage will be the best for that person. The motor will start the process by beginning the neck, then going down towards your bottom half. The massage is high precision and they also in a high controlability. Now, our last but not least final example of why motors are in our daily lives are stair lifts. Look at this happy man. Stair lifts have 3 types of motors. First is a seat rotation. Second, movement. Last, footrest adjustment. The rotation is a regular working motor with the same process as any other motors. The movement motor has a different kind of build. Since it creates power for the chair to be lifted, it will need a durable 24V brushless DC motor. The last motor will be the footrest adjustment. This will require a 24V spindle motor, which allows the machine to measure your foot to be adjusted from your measurements. And that's all I have for you today. These are all types of motors we have, and this is why we have chosen the motors, because the motors are in our daily lives. So, thank you for listening.